Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you sweet dalia, or we can call it Meetha Dalia. The ingredients I'm going to use: half cup dalia, it's a cracked wheat. I'm using a brown sugar, you can use a white sugar, 2 tablespoons, raisins and chopped almonds. You can use any dry nut. Milk, I'm going to use 2 cups. And let's get started. Get a pot, start gas, and we're going to keep gas on high. I'll add dalia. And we're going to dry roast. When you're roasting a dalia, it's always good idea to roast it on a low flame or medium gas, but if you are moving constantly, then you can keep it on high. So keep moving so it won't get burned. As soon as the color will start to change, then we're going to bring milk. Dalia is roasted, as you can see, it will start to change the color. And I'll add milk. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring the gas to medium. And we're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. It's exactly 5 minutes. I'm going to open the lid. Mix it well. And now I'm going to add brown sugar, almonds, raisins. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring the gas to low, which is simmer. And we're going to cover it with the lid and we'll cook it for 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes cooking on a low, which is simmer. Turn off the gas. Our sweet Meetha Dalia is all ready. It's very tasty and very delicious and very nutritious. I have my serving bowl ready and I'll take it out. Let me share with you. Our sweet dalia, Meetha Dalia, is all ready. Please try it, and it's very nutritious. You can serve it any time of the day, and best of all, very good as for a breakfast. Please comment below how it turned out for you, and if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.